Kale has made quite a splash in the health and wellness community, often hailed as a superfood packed with nutrients that can significantly enhance our well-being. Once considered a mere garnish on restaurant plates, this leafy green has earned its rightful place in the spotlight. Let's explore why experts recommend incorporating kale into our diets and the myriad of health benefits it offers. Nutritional powerhouse. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a prominent spot on your plate. This leafy green is low in calories but high in essential vitamins and minerals. Just 1 cup of raw kale contains over 100% of the daily recommended intake of vitamins A, C, and K. Vitamin A is crucial for eye health and immune function, while vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps protect the body from oxidative stress. Vitamin K plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health. Moreover, kale is rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. A diet high in fiber is associated with a reduced risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and diabetes. By incorporating kale into your meals, you can enjoy a significant boost in your daily nutrient intake. Antioxidant-rich benefits. One of the standout features of kale is its high concentration of antioxidants. These compounds help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body, which are known contributors to various chronic diseases. Notably, kale contains quercetin and camphorol, 2 powerful antioxidants that have been linked to a reduction in the risk of heart disease and cancer. By incorporating kale into your diet, you can harness these protective benefits and support your overall health. Heart health champion experts emphasize that kale is particularly beneficial for heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in kale contribute to lowering cholesterol levels and maintaining blood pressure. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium, while fiber aids in reducing LDL bad cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that diets rich in leafy greens like kale can lower the risk of heart disease, making it a smart choice for those looking to improve their cardiovascular health. Bone health support. Kale is also a great ally for bone health. It is high in calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Additionally, the presence of vitamin K in kale enhances calcium absorption, further supporting bone density. Including kale in your diet, especially for those who may not consume dairy products, can help ensure you're getting enough calcium for optimal bone health. Supports detoxification. Kale is rich in glucosinolates, compounds that play a significant role in detoxification processes. These substances help the body eliminate toxins and may even lower the risk of certain cancers. The liver, our primary detoxification organ, benefits from the nutrients in kale, assisting in the breakdown and elimination of harmful substances. Incorporating kale into your meals can support your body's natural detoxification systems. Culinary versatility. One of the best aspects of kale is its culinary versatility. This leafy green can be enjoyed in various forms: raw in salads, sautéed, blended into smoothies, or baked into crispy chips. Its earthy flavor can enhance a wide array of dishes, making it easy to incorporate into your daily meals. Conclusion. In summary, kale is not just a trendy vegetable, but a nutritional powerhouse with numerous health benefits. From supporting heart health and bone strength to providing antioxidants and aiding in detoxification, kale is a remarkable addition to a balanced diet. Next time you're at the grocery store, consider grabbing a bunch of kale and explore the many delicious ways you can incorporate this leafy green into your meals. Your body will thank you.